Hello children, welcome to our online session. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 12, Food for All. Children, we all know that food is our basic need. From where do we get food? Obviously, from the farmer. So let's have more information on agriculture. Agricultural seasons. We get food from plants. For that purpose, we sow grains in fields and plant fruits, trees in orchards. Orchards means where there is a availability of water. Children, you know that about 60% of the land of our country is in use of agriculture. Our country is also known as agricultural country because more than 60% people are involved in farming or related to farming business. There are two main agricultural seasons in our country. Let's study that. The season from June to October is called the Kharif season. In this season, the crops are watered mainly by the rain. You know that mostly in India, in the month of June, it is the beginning of the rainy season up to October month. So we get water through rain. This season from June to October is called Kharif season. The season from October to March is the Rabi season. In this season, rainwater that has soaked into the soil, the retreating monsoons and dew are the source of water for the crops. Means mostly we are using the water which is sipped. Sip means what? जे जमिनीमध्ये मुरून जातं. We take out that water through borewells. In addition, some crops are grown from March to June. These are called summer crops. Let's see our next point, agricultural work. Every farmer wishes to get a good harvest. A good harvest provides a good income. Obviously, everyone wants to earn more money. Fertile land means supik zamin. The land which is good for crop cultivation, that is fertile land. Then good quality seeds and fertilizers, availability of water are essential for a good harvest. Fertilizer, it is a substance when we add this to soil, then it increases the rate of growth of plants. We get good harvest. It is also necessary to carry out the task of tilling the land, to prepare the land. The crop in the field must be protected, and the harvested crop must also be stored safely. It is not important to pay attention when the crops are in the farm, but farmer have to keep that obtained grain safely. All of these processes are important. You know that the population of our country is increasing and still the needs of all the people are being met. This has been possible because of modern improved method of agriculture. Before study improved method of agriculture, let's have a look on traditional agriculture. Traditional agriculture means the method which the farmers are doing they learn from their ancestor. त्यांच्या पूर्वजांपासून जे पद्धती त्यांनी शिकले आहे ते आजपर्यंत जर ते करत असणार तर त्याला ट्रॅडिशनल ॲग्रिकल्चर म्हणतात. In the traditional method of agriculture, plugging, tilling, etc. were done with the help of oxen. You can see in the picture. A mott means a used leather bag driven with the help of oxen was used to draw water from the well. Harvesting, threshing, etc. was done by the member of the farmer's family themselves with the help of oxen. Means all the agricultural work was done by the family of the farmer and their animals. However, farmers now carry out all these tasks with the help of machine. Nowadays, farmers are also using improved methods of agriculture. They are also using machine. Let's have a look on improved methods of agriculture. First, we will see improved seeds. Earlier, it was customary to preserve the seeds of one harvest for sowing in the next season. Means the farmer he himself store the seeds for the next year. Those seeds did not have a high yield. But nowadays, improved seeds are developed through research. They are available in the market for every crop such as jowar, rice, groundnut, wheat, etc. These have a higher yield. They can resist pest attack. Pest means small harmful organism which damage crops. Some varieties become ripe for harvesting in a shorter period of time, while some give a high yield even with a low water supply. And this is only possible because of the modern methods of technique. Many researches are going on, and with the help of that, scientists have made improved seeds. And with the help of improved seed, a farmer can yield more crops with the help of low water supply also and in shorter period also. There are some modern methods of irrigation through which we can save water also. Crops grow well if they are watered at the right time. Water from rivers, lakes and wells is used for irrigation in addition to rainwater. Greater quantities of water are stored by building dams and bunds on the rivers to obstruct the flow of water downstream. This also helps to raise the level of groundwater. As we stop the flow of water, the water seeps into the ground, and in this way we can increase underground water level also. Crops were traditionally watered through canals, but because of that, much water from the canal is lost due to evaporation and seepage into the ground. Means in this method, most of the water is wasted. Now certain improved methods of irrigation are used which provide enough water to the plants and at the same time help to save a lot of water. So first we will study about drip irrigation method. Children, you can see the picture of drip irrigation on your mobile screen. You must have listened about this method. In Marathi, we are calling Thibak Sinchan. The drip irrigation method makes use of pipes with holes. This ensures that the required amount of water drips only near the plants. Thus, full use is made of the available water. In this method, we can stop wastage of water. Our another method is sprinkle irrigation. In Marathi, we are calling Tushar Sinchan. Sprinkle irrigation makes use of sprinklers of different sizes that spray water directly on plants. Hence, by adopting this modern method of irrigation, farmers can do farming with less water, though there is a scarcity of water. If the availability of water is less, then by adopting these modern methods of irrigation, farmers can do his farming work with less water and he can get a good harvest, and a good harvest provide a good income. So here I want to end my session. Thank you.